Hello students, I Neha Tiwari, Assistant Professor in Biani Group of Colleges. We have to discuss the topic DFD. DFD also known as Data Flow Diagram. It is developed by Larry Constantine. It is also known as bubble chart. A DFD consists of series of bubble joined linked together by lines. It is described flow of diagrams, one or more process. It represents the data in hierarchical manner and view the level of details. Then second, we define the process according to user requirement. The DFD is a structure tool techniques. Let us discuss the DFD symbols. DFD symbol, first we consider the rectangle. The rectangle represents the source or destination of data. Then arrow sign represent the data flow. It represents the movement of data from source to destination. And next is circle. Circle is represent the processes. It shows the transaction. It shows the transformation of data. And last is the data storage. Data storage is the place for storing a data. In DFD, we have to define the levels of DFD. We have 4 levels of DFD: level 0, level 1, level 2 and level 3. Level 0 are known as the context diagram. It shows the overall view of data, and level 1 DFD elaborates the level 0 DFD and level 2 DFD elaborates the level 1 DFD. Then we have to create the 1 DFD's banking system. In banking system, we have to process, the main process is banking system, then user are verify users requirements, and user are store the information in banking system. We have to perform many operations in banking system. The user perform the transaction, passbook entry, registration and DD creation and online help also. DFD is the very important topic of software engineering and system analysis and design. For more details, we have to log on gurukpo.com. Thank you and thank you.